As an A-level student, we may tend to forget about certain basics that we have learned in our secondary school. For example, y e to the power of ln x is actually still going to be equal to x. And this can lead to very unnecessary confusion during the exam, and that is definitely not the kind of experience that we are looking forward to. So let us try to prove once again y e to the power of ln x is equal to x. And to do that, it is actually pretty simple. We just need to let e to the power of ln x be equal to y. And we're going to ln both sides, so it will be ln e to the power of ln x is equal to ln y. Ln x, we can bring it forward, so we have a ln x multiplied by ln e. This is ln y. And what is ln e? Ln e is 1. So we will be left with a ln x is equal to ln y, which means that x should be equal to y. But wait a minute, what is y? Y is e to the power of ln x. So we have proven that e to the power of ln x is equal to x.